Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable True Tone now so colors match ambient light. First, make sure your iPhone X has the latest iOS update because calibration improves over versions. Once updated, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness. You'll see the True Tone toggle near Brightness. Tap it to switch True Tone on. You're doing this to allow the ambient light sensor to adjust white balance dynamically. That's what makes the screen look true in varied lighting. Now test how True Tone behaves so you can see the difference. Move into warm indoor light, then step outside into daylight and into shade, watching the screen each time. Use Control Center to temporarily disable True Tone for direct comparison. This helps you notice shifts in white balance and color temperature. Make sure auto brightness remains active so the sensor and brightness adapt together. Observing these changes explains why photos and text can look warmer or cooler with True Tone enabled. Finish by confirming True Tone stays active across apps and lock screen. Open Photos, Safari, and Settings to verify consistent color. If colors appear off or flicker, restart your iPhone X first and retest under multiple lighting conditions. If problems persist, reset all settings to rule out software conflicts. This won't erase media, but will restore preferences. If the ambient light sensor still misbehaves after that, contact Apple support because the issue may be a hardware fault requiring service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.